Well, I've been trying to sound lately more British these days, despite of my irregular practice patterns. I've been sounding quite British these days. With the grace of God, the Almighty, the blessings shower on me that I'm given with the talent of mimicking the accent of British English, and surprisingly, I'm making progress in just a short span of time, and this helps me tremendously to reduce my accent, especially talking about my Indian accent, and getting much closer to that much of a modern received pronunciation or standard modern RP British accent. So I just want to tell you that learning an accent or mastering an accent is same as mastering a language. So you just have to first learn the language properly, and then you have to make sure that you listen to the nuances and the patterns of English. That is, you pay close and minute attention to how the words are generated or spoken by a speaker. You you've got to choose a role model for yourself or a speaker of your choice whom you have been listening to or watching lately for quite some long time, and you just start to mimic or imitate his voice exactly in the way, replicating his voice in the way which sounds quite naturally ingrained in your brain, that ushers or triggers the instincts of you whenever you're trying to speak in English. So that way it works. So whenever I've been trying my level best to sound British, this has always been quite challenging for me because I've always been speaking English using a North American accent or the basic American, standard American accent, but now my focus has shifted completely to speak English with mastering a British accent also, so I'll be very much glad if I can sound comprehensively or convincingly more British, and so that's what I'm aiming for, perfection in my British accent. So, so, so that's all I have to say regarding my experience of working with the British accent. So I think the more I speak, the more better I'm gonna get at it, speaking naturally and with a lot of confidence. Thank you.